when you are a small business and you know your business the best, you should be doing the kind of work that gets you new clients. My name is Jess Ostroff. I am the Director of Comm for Don't Panic Management, which is a virtual assistant / content management / social media agency. And we work a lot with social media and PR and web development companies to help them get their work done. A lot of businesses come to us because they feel like they have a lot of things going on with their company. They're growing really fast, especially a lot of marketing and online marketing and social media companies. There's a lot of brands out there that feel like they need help with social, but then they become way too busy to take on all the work, and they need to outsource some of their own whether it's admin work or maybe it's some of their clients need extra support. So they get frantic when they feel like they have too much going on and they feel like they need to outsource, but they get nervous because they don't want to outsource to someone that doesn't have any experience. They want to talk to somebody who specializes more in the online marketing or in the admin or the operations. And we've kind of established enough experience at this point to be able to handle a lot of that. Plus, we're a small business ourselves, so we deal with a lot of the same issues that our clients deal with, and we've figured out processes and systems to handle that. Sometimes it's difficult at first to get people to trust us. They might have heard about us from another client of ours or from a blog post that we've written or something on LinkedIn, but they might not be sure that we're a company that they can trust. So a lot of times they'll give us some smaller, less important, it's always important, but less important work as sort of a test. And I'm always really open to that. And I think that all contractors should really be flexible with what their clients want. So we usually do like a 3 or 4 week trial period, kind of figure out if our communication styles work, because I feel like with virtual assistants especially, it's all about your communication. Attendees at my session will learn first and foremost what things business owners can actually outsource. I think some people don't realize all the things that they do in a day. So learning what your day looks like at first, and then figuring out what of those tasks can you offload to somebody else. And that's the first thing they'll take away. The second thing is how to do that. So I will offer some ideas on how to hire a virtual assistant, but also how to set up productivity tools, how to set up project management tools, which tools will work best for you. I'm going to give a lot of examples, so hopefully there are actually some actionable insights that people can take from it. And then finally, what that will mean for your business.